What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Cape Town vlog for once. Yes, as you can see, we are burning in Cape. Yes, we are back in Cape Town, but not for long, just for the weekend, unfortunately. But it's a Cape Town vlog, boys. So what I got in my hand right here right now, it's a problem, or it's a solution to a problem I've had in my car since the time I've had it. Basically, I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, my driver's side window pretty much never ever opens. Oh, also, I'm standing in the garage now because it's extremely windy outside. So, but basically, my windows, my driver's side window doesn't work. So this right here is the window regulator clips that apparently Audi doesn't sell anymore. Apparently they remade it and they added like metal in here so that it's a lot stronger. But Audi doesn't stock it anymore. I tried to get it, they don't stock it anymore. But I found this on AliExpress for like 150 bucks. So if you have an Audi, I'm just gonna say an Audi. I don't think it's naturally the 8Ls, but I think if you have an Audi and your window, just like me, you know, just open up your door and you'll see that these are broken. Don't replace the whole mechanism, guys. 150 bucks and you can do it. Well, I guess at the end of this vlog we'll find out. So hopefully by the end of this vlog I'll have a running window mechanism. So yeah, guys, let's just get into it. As you can see here, it's got silver tape on different places, or it's got silver tape on. There is actually a block inside here that's meant to be keeping the window up, but that fell off months ago and I just haven't been bothered to get it done ever since. But yeah, so let me show you guys what you got to do here. So basically you got to loosen that one screw there, and there's a screw in here also that you got to loosen, which is kind of already loose, but you know what, it's in place. Yeah, then you take this off. There should be another 2 screws behind there if I remember correctly, and then the door panel should come off quite easily. Then it's just the locking cable thingy. Excuse this, we have to do this at some point. It's really disgusting, but it's fine. Okay, you guys see what I mean by it's already loose? Just put that under there. You see, it's pretty much already loose, but I can't get it out because it's like straight. See, yeah, that's unfortunate. But let me just sort that out quickly. Those ones right there, you always what you want, but yeah, this must be 2. One more screw there. One more screw. Once you get this thing out right here, quite simple. Then it's time to unclip the plugs. Now that we got the panel off, you can see there actually there's a piece of wood that's supposed to be, anyway, basically you need to now loosen this whole mechanism. Unfortunately, you need to loosen that bolt there. There's another bolt up there, I didn't want to film that. There should be a bolt in the corner there, one down there too. I think that's all that yeah, that should be all, but there's just a plethora of flipping washers in between here though. It's almost like a kind of spacer because it's like a wedge. I think there's 2 over here. There's only 1 over there. There's definitely 1 over there. There's 1 over there too, and then there's like 1 or 2 over there too. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get all that loose now. I'm gonna get all that loose now, and then mistake. Not a washer on the side, it's like a whole bracket. So yeah, just remember to put this back that way. Okay, so now from what I can remember, everything is loose. I should be able to just this is like the lazy way of doing it. I'm not disconnecting any of it, and this is gonna be an issue to take apart or to take off. So I'm just gonna deal with it right here. So basically, these are the clips right here that we'll be replacing. Those blue ones there at the back. This is what the door panel looks like, or that's what the window mechanism looks like. Yeah, it's kind of scary. It takes the whole flipping thing off. But anyway, we're replacing those blue clips right there, and where's the other one? There. Oh, this window needs to drop a little bit. Shit. Okay, so what I'm just doing right now is I just had to drop the window a little bit. Yeah, I'm holding it up. Just had to drop the window a little bit so I can get access to the clip. But at the same time, I'm gonna switch the car on now and unplug the turn the ignition and unplug the switch for the window winder. Basically, I plugged it back in because I need to roll the window down a little bit. Now you see that little ferrule there? That ferrule, I just need to bring it down a little bit more so that I can get the clip to go on that ferrule. That is what brings the window up and down. So yeah, I'm just busy opening up that window rolling down that cable right now. To replace these clips, it's as simple as this piece comes out like so, and just take note of the way these go back in. It's quite simple actually, it's straightforward, but that should just slide out like that, and yep, that's a perfect match, boys. Okay, so this part, you got to make sure that this now goes in, that the ferrule goes inside here. So that would be shit. Now I can't remember. I'll put this back in again. I need to roll this window down a little bit so to make it easier for myself. Something I also just noticed is this is actually sliding really tight on here, which is making me worry. Okay, here we go. That's in. I just want to see something now. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side now. I'll just put you guys in the time lapse. Okay, so it's a bit of a tight fit, especially on the slider, but it seems to be working good right now. Excuse me. I'm going to do that side slow, and then I'll film again once I put the window back in and put those clips back on. Yeah. So Kent gave me the idea of lubricating this with some Vaseline, because I didn't want to use silicone spray because I know that's also gonna cause stuff to stick and also eventually comes off, but Vaseline also sticks, but it's fine. Let me just lubricate it. I don't want to put too thick of a layer either. Okay, so now is the moment of truth. Now I'm gonna put the window on and then like make everything fast, and then I'm going to see if it actually rolls up and down with the window, which it should, but I'm scared a little bit of the resistance, man. But yeah, it should be good. Let's try this out. Okay, so lift this up a little bit. So these clips right here don't fit so well in there, like I said, but once I put the screw in here, this opens up and then it sits fast, and then this flap doesn't really mean anything because once that screws on, this window is not coming out. So let's do this. Not too tight now. Okay, that window's not going anywhere. Let's test that. Oh, this is not a good position to be in. Okay, that I think is probably just a programming thing. But she works, boys. She flippin' works. Down and over up. That's it. Lovely stuff. And then of course the assemblies of just the reverse process, which I'll put on a time lapse for you guys, and you can see as I'm putting everything back together, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done, everything's back together, and then we can do a little bit of a test with that new mechanism. I hope this lasts forever. But I'm gonna, yeah, let's just do it. And every time I felt the hurt and I felt the giving getting me up off the wall. And any man who knows a thing knows he knows not a damn thing at all. And every time I felt the hurt and I felt the giving getting me up off the wall. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it ride. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it breathe. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it ride. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it breathe. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it ride. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it breathe. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it ride. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it breathe. I didn't man who knows a thing knows he knows not a damn thing at all. And every time I felt the hurt and I felt the giving getting me up off the wall. And any man who knows a thing knows he knows not a damn thing at all. And every time I felt the hurt and I felt the giving getting me up off the wall. Not a damn thing at all. And every time I felt the hurt and I felt the giving getting me up off. Okay, let's give a test while everything's assembled. Oh yes, that worked. But that's and that's closed. Can't go more though. Okay, nice. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me. Just standing in a bit of an odd spot right now because the wind. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video informative. I hope it gave you a little bit of confidence to do it yourself, because it's not that difficult, guys. It seems a bit scary at first, but it's not that bad. And yeah, I hope I showed you guys everything that you might need to know. If you have any other, how do I say, feedback, anything that you want to add, let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.